So everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the candlestick and candlestick structure, and we are going to talk about how the candlestick formed. And this is basic stuff, but you need to listen to this and you need to understand this, how this working. And let's go to the video. So first of all, we have two candles, and first is bullish candle that always, most of the time, is represented as a green candle, and we can see this is a green candle, this is a bullish candle, and this is a red black candle. And most of the time this candle represent, this bearish candle represent look as red candles, and now in this case I am using black. But first of all, we are going to see how this candle formed. And when the candle is started, we can see that this is the starting point, and price goes down and then come up and cross this line. What line? Opening price line, and it goes up. Alright, then price go like this and it is close right here, and this is the opening price, we can mark as O, and this is closing price, and this is bullish candle, and we can look at this as a green, but in this case we are seeing as blue candle. And this case, this is opening price and this is closing price. When the price is started, it goes down, and that's why we see this wick. And right before the market close, it always go as this high, and then it close below this level, and this is the closing price. Then the next candle, it's open like this, and it goes, let's say it's a bullish candle, and it open here and it goes down, and it goes all the way to this level, and it's close here. Alright, this is also a bullish candle. And next we can see that this is the opening price goes here and it's close like this, but we have wick here, and this is opening price, because this is the candle that closed, this opened, and price went here, but it crossed this opening line to the below, and when the moment it stopped this candle printing, it has gone this level and came up to here and closed right here. Then this is bearish candle, because this candle closed below the opening price, and this is a bearish candle. So this is the first video I'm talking about this candlestick structure and how candles form and how candles printed, and this is the basic stuff, and we have another stuff for next video. So this is enough for first video, and we can meet in the next video. So bye.